Yeah.
But a flock of seagulls, what do you think they're called? Or a group of seagulls is called what?
I guess it's not a flock then, huh?
Nope. It is in the name seagulls, though.
It's goals?
It's
a goal of seagulls?
A goal of seagulls, yeah.
Crazy.
Our final night alive. And as the earth burns to the ground, oh God.
Hey, they say that I'm talking a whole lot of trash. I'm sitting and thinking like, who knew? I know that you seen us on rappers react. They talking about us on YouTube. Hollywood 6, it look like I do magic. Maybe he's practicing voodoo. I'm hearing you're getting a lot of attention. Well, I'm here to say that we do to deliver the rubbish.
What's going on, everybody? We're back with another segment of Rappers React. Smoke Dog.
What up?
I have trivia.
Oh, no way.
Yes, I do actually, and I just lost it. So
No, you don't.
Sorry.
I was right.
You were right. You were right. Sorry, tribe members, trash talkers. Give me 1 second to just pull up some trivia here. Oh God, it's so hard to do it because the ads come out. Okay, all right. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. When was heavy metal music first developed? Was it the late 50s and early 60s? Was it the late 60s and early 70s? Or was it the late 70s and early 80s? And this is when was heavy metal music first developed?
Yeah. I mean, I could give them a second to answer, but they already know. There's no doubt. It is the 60s into the early 70s.
You were correct, my friend. You were correct. You were correct.
And people still debate on who invented it.
Okay, let's see here.
Some people say Black Sabbath, though. That's the common theory I go with.
All right, how about this? Which of the following is not a subtype of heavy metal music?
Okay.
Gothic metal, Celtic metal, or Germanic? Actually, I'm sorry. Gothic metal. You know what? I'm not even gonna.
Celtic or Germanic?
No, let's just
I would
skip
have said
that.
Germanic.
Let's just skip that question. God, dude, these are terrible, man. Trash talkers, I apologize.
Not some good ones today.
Okay, all right. How about this? Who was? Oh God, you're not gonna get. You know what? The tribe might get that. Okay, who was the drummer known for the double bass drumming technique in heavy metal?
Oh, the first one? Because I know a lot of them do it.
Who was the drummer known for double bass drumming technique in heavy metal?
Oh God, I don't know who would be the first. You got me, man.
Some dude named Gene Hoglan.
I wonder what band that's from.
I have no clue. All right, how about this? What city is often referred to as the birthplace of heavy metal?
Oh, it'd be London, right?
It is in England.
Is it Birmingham?
There. God dang, my dog Smoke Dog.
So that's where Black Sabbath is from.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you did bring Black Sabbath up. Okay, I got you. All right. So let's see here. The tribe has voted, and you and
me.
I knew you were gonna say that.
Whatever I say, it's always the opposite.
It is. You and
I.
Okay. I just so far.
Run.
Nope.
Ran.
Okay. I run so far.
Oh, I know this song. It's Iran. Not the country, but I ran.
Okay, there's a little more to it.
So far away.
You got it. My friend, guys, before we get started, please do us a big favor. Y'all, please hit that thumbs up button. Guys, please subscribe to the channel.
And for God's sake, leave us a comment and tell us what to react to next. That's how we get the ideas for these videos that come directly from you. Right down in the comment section. And today, it's Tuesday, and we are live with the tribe.
We are live with the tribe, guys. It's Tuesday. The trash talkers have voted. The tribe has voted, and today we are gonna hang out with the flock of seagulls.
Flock of seagulls. I always think of a flock of Steven Seagulls.
Seagulls. Listen, look, to the tribe members, we salute y'all so much. Again, if you're not following us, the link is in the description to our Facebook page. If you guys want to vote on what we do next, you okay there, buddy?
Yeah, I got an itch.
You got a little itch.
Mm-hmm.
Scratch it for you.
No, I'm good.
All right, but yeah, if you guys aren't following us on our Facebook page, the link is down in the description, and you can vote on what we do next for next Live with the Tribe. And you guys have voted, and I swear to God, I have. Who names their band A Flock of Seagulls? What are seagulls? Is a group of seagulls called a flock?
Well, a lot of birds are called a flock.
I'm gonna Google
that's
that.
something to look up there. Yeah. Yeah, I wonder if it is grammatically incorrect.
Let's see.
But as far as who I don't know. I'm pretty sure this band came out of the UK, out of England. I want to say it's like new wave-ish, almost post-punk. You know, kind of like we did the Clash last week.
Oh, dude! Look, don't bring that up, because if y'all check out last Live at the Tribe, I got up and started dancing. Bro. If it's anything like that, I can't promise y'all I'm gonna sit in this damn chair. I might get up and start dancing.
Yeah.
But A Flock of Seagulls, what do you think they're called? Or a group of seagulls is called what?
I guess it's not a flock then, huh?
Nope. It is in the name Seagulls, though.
It's goals.
It's
a goal of seagulls.
A goal of seagulls. Yeah.
Crazy.
That's crazy. Interesting.
Yeah. So they didn't do their research before they named the band.
They should, but if they would have went with a goal of seagulls, that wouldn't have been.
That wouldn't sound right.
Man, that was. Listen, I don't know how many trash talkers and tribe members have been out there to the beach, but seagulls are ruthless.
Are they?
Dude, if you pull out a ham sandwich, they taking that song.
Yeah, that's true.
They taking it. They taking
Not as bad as Canadian geese, though.
Oh no,
them things,
dude.
are
All
mean.
geese are assholes.
Yeah, they are.
Listen, to all our cat lovers out there, I love you guys. Cats are awesome. Smokey, I know. Shout out to Cosmo. But come on, y'all. Cats are assholes.
I don't know. Well, maybe some of them are. Yeah.
Dude, I mean, they get on top and they'll have a jar
they
like,
love to knock stuff over.
And they look at you while they're doing it.
Yeah.
I'm about to push it
They
off.
know they're not supposed to do it. Yeah.
Oh,
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
Bow.
What you gonna do about it?
Clean that up and then go clean my litter box.
Yup.
I don't know. But no, so you said this was kind of synth or new wave.
Yeah,
type?
new wave-ish, like post-punk, I think is the official genre.
So you know this song?
Yeah. And I run
To run so far
away.
Smoke dog.
What up?
Let's get into it.
Let's do it.
Look, I got so excited because if this is the song that you were just singing, I jammed this.
Yeah.
I've never heard the. All right, trash talkers. I'm sorry. I've never heard the original. I've only heard the Slim Thug version.
Oh, okay.
And,
yeah.
Oh
I
my
run
God.
The streets all night and
day.
Yeah, it's Yellow Wolf singing that hook.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's hear this. Oh, I don't think I've ever heard the original. I kind of don't want the video. I kind of just want lyrics. Is it a video? Let's see. I don't care. I love that hook. Definitely not what I You know I'm gonna have to get up. You know I'm gonna have to get up and dance. Come on, dog. This is my type of sprayer. God, I wish I was a teenager in the 80s. Yeah. I just picture Yellow Wolf in my head right now.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
I walk along the avenue. I never thought I'd meet a girl like you. Meet a girl like you.
This is great.
With auburn hair and tawny eyes. The kind of eyes that hypnotize me through. You hypnotize me through.
I love this tribe. Shout out to y'all.
The
I'm so far away. It's my
I just ran. I ran all night and day.
couldn't get away. Do I do the stairway? Do I do the stairway?
A cloud appears above your head. A beam of light comes shining down on you. Shining down on you. The cloud is moving nearer still. Aurora borealis comes into you. Aurora comes into you. And I ran so far away.
Hey, this is my jam.
I just ran all night and day. I couldn't get away.
See, I've never heard these.
Reach out a hand to touch your face. You're slowly disappearing from my view. Disappearing from my view. Reach out a hand to try again. I'm floating in a beam of light with you. A beam of light with you. And I ran so far away. I just ran all night and day.
Say it, Smoke, say it.
I ran so far away.
Get ready, you're coming up.
I just ran. I couldn't get away.
My bad, my bad. Is that it? Dude, I could do another 30 minutes of that.
I know. It's interesting because I had never really paid attention to the lyrics of that song. I know I'd heard it several times throughout my life.
Listen, bro, don't hate me, but I'm sorry. I was focused on the
Dancing?
No, not just that, but every time. And first of all, I thought he said, "And I run."
I think the Slim Thug version, he says, I run.
That's what I'm
Yeah.
in my head. I'm hearing
Yeah.
Slim Thug, mother,
Yeah.
and I run the streets all night and day and couldn't get away. So I'm expecting Slim Thug and Yellow Wolf to come in, and I'm like,
Yeah.
dude, this is the OG right here.
It
This is where it
Yeah.
came from.
Yep, exactly.
So you're gonna have to take the lead here, broski. I just know this is a dope ass. Listen,
Absolutely.
shout out to the tribe, man. Go follow us on our Facebook page. You guys vote for the dopest ish on Live at the Tribes. Go ahead, Smokey.
Absolutely. It's crazy. Did you ever think getting into new wave and post punk, that you were going to enjoy it that much?
No. It's because even when I was a kid, dude, it's like I remember my mom playing like a lot of grunge and stuff like that. So I'm like, okay, I'm cool with the Princes. I'm cool with the Alice in Chains. I'm cool, with the Stone Temple Pilots. I'm cool with all these. But then, who the hell thought that I'd be down with a flock of
Flock
seagulls?
of seagulls.
Hey, hell, put me in the flock.
Yeah, absolutely. I can't wait to get into more from this genre.
Yes,
to tell you the
broski.
truth. I wonder, are we on like a trend though that we're
That's-
gonna do this for Tuesdays?
See, well, here's what's crazy though. I know you're not allowed to look at the poll.
Yeah.
As I'm looking at the poll, I'm like, who the hell is a flock of seagulls? And of
Yeah.
course, I'm not. Again, everything here is authentic. We don't pre-watch anything. But I'm like, okay, I kind of know that band, and I'm like, well, that's not new wave. That's not new wave. That's not 80s, and
Yeah.
I don't know who that is. But it's like apparently the Trash Talkers, when they vote, you know, the winner of those 4 choices, it's like, I don't care if this is a trend. If it is a trend,
Yeah,
I'm down for,
absolutely.
dude.
Yeah. But yeah, as far as the context of the lyrics, man, I feel like he's saying, because he mentioned at first that he ran into this beautiful woman on the street, right?
With auburn hair.
Yeah, and he was like entranced by that, and he's like, she's so beautiful, like I want to go to this, but I'm gonna run. And he ran away, but for some reason he couldn't get away. So he's so entranced by it. He's like, I know someone this beautiful is probably going to cause me troubles in the long run. For whatever reason, you know, maybe.
Dude, those are the best relationships, though. Let's keep it real.
The ones you try to run away from.
The ones you don't want to be with, but like, God, that's the best. That's the best. Like, oh, it's like I can't stand you, but dang, I F with you. Like, it's those.
I don't know if he went into like a masochistic relationship or anything.
Maybe that's just me.
Yeah, that's probably just you.
Okay. Come on, you ain't never had that. You ain't never been like.
No, I've never stayed with someone I didn't like. No.
Well, not necessarily stayed with, but like y'all could have broken up. But just like, God.
Well, I mean,
some things just hit different when I'm with, even though we don't like each other. But if we meet up every now and then, it's like, all right, we're done. All right, now get out. Like, you've never had that?
No.
Damn,
No.
Maybe I am.
I'm not going to torture myself with.
Yeah, but it's so good, yo.
I don't know.
No, okay, my bad.
Not really.
My bad. Go ahead.
That's just you.
I'm about that life. I'm about that life.
Okay.
My bad. Go ahead.
I want a relationship with someone I hate.
No. What I'm saying is you've never been in a relationship with someone y'all having differences and y'all just can't stand each other. But there's one, you know, I'm not gonna say the one thing, but that one thing.
Yeah,
is
I know exactly what you're talking
You've
about.
never had that?
No. No, if I don't want to be with the person, I'm not with the person. Like,
well, you don't have to be with them. I mean, we can.
No, because then it's not fun.
Shit.
That's just you. You like the dysfunction. You like the chaos.
I will say this: if you ain't got a little bit of crazy in you, I don't want you.
Yeah.
That's me. I like a little bit of crazy.
That's you.
But no, what you were saying, you know, he tried to run.
Yeah, but he was so entranced by this person that he couldn't get away from it. Like, I don't know if he tried to get away and then he's like, you know what, I'm going back. Like, he couldn't.
So
pass
would you
up the
refer him to
temptation.
be Hollywood? Would this be a song Hollywood? I'm a damn flock of seagulls.
Well, I mean, he's talking about a person he just met, though, not someone that he's had
been with.
a
Gotcha.
tumultuous relationship with, and you know, so someone he probably saw it right up front. He's like, this is not gonna work out, but look at her. You know?
Man.
Yeah, I think that's where he was going.
I think you're right. To the Trash Talkers, let us know out there, who's the lead singer of A Flock of Seagulls. I hope he's still with us, because if he is,
Yeah.
he's still with us?
Oh, I don't know.
Well, if he is still with us, bro, I rock with you, dog. I rock with you, musically and
metaphorically.
yes, relationshiply. Is that a word? Relationshiply?
I guess.
I F with you, man. I like a little bit of crazy, but no, seriously.
Philosophically is what I was
There
thinking.
you go.
Yeah.
Gotcha. To the tribe members, to the Trash Talkers out there, guys, thank you so much for going to our Facebook page and voting and telling us to check out this band here. Again, guys, if you're not following us on Facebook, the link is down in the description. Go over there, post your vote for what's next for next Live with the Tribe, and your vote matters, and we're going to do it here next Tuesday, and the tribe is awesome. You got anything else, Smoke?
That's it for this week.
That's it right there, guys. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with us, and let us know what's next by A Flock of Seagulls down in the comment section. And with that being said, my name is Barry Hollywood 6. Bye.
I am Larry Smokey Ramirez.
And we are
over
and
out.
Deuces.
Yeah. I'm gonna run away now.
I'm finna go find a crazy one.
Yeah, I know you are.
I want to thank you guys for tuning in to another segment of Rappers React. If you guys want to see another artist that we covered, just click right here. If you want to see the last video did, just click right over here. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of time with us today. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you on the next one. Deuces.